Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to draw an LOL doll called Glitter Queen. So first, before you start drawing, draw yourself a rectangle of 9 by 4.5 inches and divide it in 4. So we're going to draw on the first two rectangles, the head. So draw a big circle. And then we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to use a protractor. And the protractor, I'm setting it around half an inch, a little bit more than half an inch. And then we're making the same eye on the other side, trying to make them even. And then we're going to draw the eyeliner and then add the eyelashes and 2 arcs on each eye and the circle, the mouth, and the nose. So she has bangs, so we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more to the head, and then a bow. Let's add the rest of the hair. So we're going to add a curve on the bottom and then connect to the bow. I'm just going to make the middle of the bow a little bit bigger. And then the ears, 2 C's, and then the little squiggles inside. And then lines on the bangs for more detail. And I'm making these like squiggly lines. And then the body, it's like a pear. And then the arms are chubby. And the legs are chubby as well. So I'm going to make a line where I want her knees to be. And I connect them. Right now for the dress, she has a cute shirt. So we're going to add the sleeves. And then a big bow on the center. Make sure the bow is very big. And then we're going to add on the skirt. So the skirt is like a D, and then underneath we add little curves. Now go ahead and go over with marker. I'm going to be using 2 different markers. One a thick one and one thin one. So I'm going to go over the eyeliner, make it thick and then thin. And then under the eyes, I'm going to use a thinner marker for the arcs, and then we're gonna use the thicker marker to go over the top circle, and then some eyelashes, and then the squigglies of the hair, we're making them thin, just like the mouth and nose. And then we're gonna go over with the thick marker for the hair. Also the bow. And then the face and the ears. Now for the shirt, we're going to go over with the thinner marker. The sleeve has a little rectangle on it. And then the bow is a thicker marker. And the skirt as well. But the bottom part, we're going to make it thin. Now for the legs and the arms, we're going to use the thinner one as well. The shoes are just little circles. And she has chubby hands. Oh, I messed up on the hand, so I'm gonna put a little cup. And then let's color. I'm using oil pastels, and I love to use these for these little dolls because the colors are cute and it's easy to cover the whole area. And I just use a Q-tip to smudge everything evenly and for it to not be too dark. So her hair, her dress, and her lips are going to be pink. And then her body is kind of tanned. And her shirt is yellow. Her bows on the bottom of the skirt will be orange. The orange, I had to mix it because I didn't have that exact color, but you can use whatever orange you would like. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more videos like this one. Thank you.